Adab, Sat Shri Akal, Vanakkam, Khamba Khani. A very warm good evening to everyone. I would like to welcome you all on behalf of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. This is Shreya Shah representing the headlines of this week.
Ticket to Life Unit Leaders Workshop held at National Headquarters, New Delhi. Adventure programs organized in Darjeeling and Pachmari. Project Clap activities conducted in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. World Environment Day celebrated nationwide. World No Tobacco Day observed by the members across the country. Jammu and Kashmir conducts Tritiya Sopan and Rajya Purushkar testing camps. Menstrual hygiene awareness programs conducted by the members. Basic and advanced training courses conducted by state associations. Madhya Pradesh State organizes Study Tour cum Hike Camp at Manali. Members continue providing water services at various locations. Mapping workshop conducted by Sairam District, Tamil Nadu State. Tripura Scouts and Rovers served as disaster management team during recent floods. Moving on to news in detail. Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters Ticket to Life. The Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted the Ticket to Life Unit Leaders Workshop at the National Headquarters, New Delhi from 3rd to 5th of June 2025 under the leadership of Sri Amar B. Chhetri, Executive Director. The opening ceremony was graced by the presence of Sri M.A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Director of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sri S. Prasanna Srivastava, Director Special Program, SOCNC, Sri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scouts, Boy Program, and other officials. The workshop was coordinated by Sri Sunil Kumar Garwan, TTL NSO Coordinator. The closing ceremony held on the afternoon of 5th June 2025 featured Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS, retired Chief National Commissioner as a chief guest. He appreciated the efforts of all the members and recommended that the Ticket to Life project be implemented across all state associations. NAI Kurseong 92nd National Adventure Program conducted at National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling from 2nd to 6th of June 2025 under the leadership of Sri Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor. 25 candidates from Haryana and Madhya Pradesh state participated in the program. NAI Pachmari. The Special National Adventure Program conducted at the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Adventure Institute, Pachmari from 3rd to 7th of June 2025, specifically for Chhattisgarh State. Mrs. Bilkis Sheikh, in charge Adventure Program Officer, led the course. Another Special National Adventure Program for Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal was conducted at NAI Pachmari from 3rd to 7th of June 2025 under the leadership of Sri Dhanraj Saini, OSJI, NAI Pachmari. Climate Change. Under the initiative One Tree in the Name of Mother, run by the Government of India, a tree plantation and cleanliness program was organized on 4th of June 2025 on the occasion of World Environment Day. The event was conducted by Hardar District of Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Tree plantation was carried out in the office premises and a cleanliness drive was conducted in the garden located within the office compound. Under the auspice of the Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Abhiruchi Awam Kaushal Vikas Prashikshan Shibir was organized at Mahatma Gandhi Government Senior Secondary School No. 1, Sagwara on the occasion of World Environment Day, 5th June 2025. The program was chaired by CDEO Sri Narendra Bhat, who in his address emphasized the urgent need for environmental protection and conservation in the present times. The chief guest, DYSP Sri Roop Singh, highlighted the factors harming the environment and appealed for spreading awareness. Himachal Pradesh. World No Tobacco Day was celebrated on 31st of May 2025 by the Scouts and Guides of PM Sri GSSS, Kota District, Hamirpur, under Himachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides. On this occasion, Guide Rachna educated students about the health, social and economic impacts of tobacco. Some Scouts and Guides also raised awareness through paintings. A rally was organized to raise awareness against drug addiction. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters Samba participated in a mock drill program conducted on 31st of May 2025 by the National Disaster Response Force at Government Higher Secondary School, Samba. The program was organized under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Samba, Sri Rajesh Sharma, and Chief Education Officer Samba, Sri Keval Krishan. Rajya Purushkar Testing Camp 2025 and Tritiya Sopan camps were conducted at Trekking Base Camp, Patni Top, from 31st of May 2025 to 4th of June 2025. In the camps, 112 Scouts and Guides for Rajya Purushkar Testing Camp and Tritiya Sopan took part from District Jammu, Doda, Katwa, Samba, and Udhampur. The camps were inaugurated by the Warden of the Trekking Base Camp of the Department of Youth Services and Sport, Jammu and Kashmir Government. The camps were conducted under the overall supervision of S. Rajinder Singh Tara, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Jammu and Kashmir State, and Muhtarma Nasreen Khan, State Secretary cum Administrative Officer, Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides. Karnataka. The Bangalore South District Association of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a ministerial hygiene awareness program for guides, rangers, and unit leaders at Santi Groha on 31st of May 2025. 96 participants attended the program, which aimed to educate and empower young girls and women about menstrual health and hygiene. Karnataka State conducted state-level basic and advanced courses for Rover Scout leaders and Ranger leaders from 14th to 20th of May 2025 at the Dr. N. Besant State Scouts and Guides Training and Camping Center, Dodaballapur, Bangalore Rural District. On 19th of May 2025, Shri P.G.R. Sindhya State Chief Commissioner inaugurated the Grand Campfire. Shri B.K. Bhasavaraj, Shri M.A. Chellayya and other office bearers were present. The SSLC and PUC Topper Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides were felicitated at the ceremony conducted in collaboration with the Udupi District Association for the year 2024-2025. The event took place on 30th of May 2025 at the Sri Krishna Mata Rajguna, Udupi District. Sri P.G.R. Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner, honored and congratulated the SSLC and PUC Topper Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers by presenting them with certificates, prize money and medals. Kerala. Sri V. Sivankutti, Honorable Minister for General Education and Labour, Government of Kerala, shared a Facebook post marking the inauguration of the state-level anti-drug awareness campaign. Studying is an addiction, let learning prevail over drugs. A remarkable initiative by the Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The State Secretary of the Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sri N.K. Prabhakaran, had the honour of meeting the Honourable Governor of Kerala and Patron of Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar at Raj Bhavan, Thiruvananthapuram on 22nd of May 2025. The patron of the organization, Governor, was briefed on the wide-range initiatives undertaken by the Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides to empower the youth and serve society. The Honorable Governor appreciated the commendable efforts of Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides and reaffirmed his support for the mission to develop responsible, service-minded and morally upright citizens. KVS. PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya, Bijapur observed World No Tobacco Day on 31st of May 2025 through virtual participation as the school was on summer vacation. Students prepared posters at home to spread awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco. Additionally, a student delivered an online speech highlighting the importance of a tobacco-free life. Kendra Vidyalaya, Tibrikant, Gurudaspur conducted various awareness activities to highlight the theme, Unmasking the Appeal. The event included essay writing competition in Hindi and English, where students shared their views on the deceptive allure of tobacco use. Poster competition focused on World Health Day. Scouts and Guides of PM Shri Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh, KV Malapuram, KV Fatehpur, KV Jangir also celebrated the similar activities in their schools. Madhya Pradesh. A state-level Scout and Guider study tour cum hike camp was organized by the Bhopal Division Headquarters of Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides at Manali from 24 to 28 of May 2025. The camp was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Rajesh Mewade, Assistant State Organizing Commissioner, Bhopal Division, Mr. Sushil Billore, District Organizing Commissioner Scout, Raisin, and Mrs. Anita Patel, District Organizing Commissioner Guides. Vidisha rendered their services during the camp. Participants engaged in the various adventure activities, trekking, campfire, and workshops during the camp. Northeastern Railway. Summer Booster services were organized by the Gorakhpur and Varanasi District Association on 28 and 31st of May 2025, where members provided cool water to the passengers. These services were carried under the guidance of Divisional Railway Manager, District Chief Commissioner. Additionally, through posters and banners, the public was made aware of the correct use of dustbins at the station and on trains. On May 30, 2025, the Izzatnagar District Association, in collaboration with the ENHM Department, Northeastern Railway Izzatnagar, organized a street play on the theme of environmental awareness at the Izzatnagar Railway Station, marking the occasion of Environmental Day 2025. The performance, led by District Commissioner Scout, Mr. Vijay Mohan Sharma, and District Secretary, Mr. Hari Shankar Sagar, aimed to raise awareness about the environmental issues. North Frontier Railway. On 31st of May 2025, on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, the New Jalpaiguri District Association of North Frontier Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a No Tobacco Awareness Rally in the railway colony area. Northwestern Railway. Jodhpur Division of Northwestern Railway launched the Summer Water Service Camp on June 1, 2025 at the Jodhpur Railway Station. This service camp will run continuously in 3 shifts from June 1 to June 30, 2025. Ajmer Division started World Environment Day activities on 1st of June 2025. As part of the event, a drawing competition and an essay writing competition were conducted for the members. Jaipur Division organized a rally on 31st of May 2025 at platform number 2, 3 and 4 and 5 at Jaipur and Fulera railway stations. The Scouts and Guides from the Scout Den to the railway colony took part in the rally, on Tobacco Prohibition Day to raise awareness about the harmful effects of addiction. Jodhpur Division launched the World Environment Day campaign from May 22nd to June 5, 2025 as part of a fortnight-long initiative. An environmental awareness rally was organized at the railway station and railway loco colony. Rajasthan. On 31st of May 2025, World No Tobacco Day was observed during the Summer Art and Skill Camp being conducted under the aegis of Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides, District Headquarters, Sikar. The chief guest for the program, Chief Block Medical Officer, Mr. Ajit Kumar Sharma. A group of girls performed a dance under the leadership of Sri Atul Dhadich to the theme Mat Piyo Bol, Say No to Tobacco. Participants delivered speeches on the topic. The keynote speaker, Dr. Ajit Sharma, Block Chief Medical Officer, motivated everyone to eliminate smoking from families and society. In addition, various programs were organized across different locations in the Sikar district to mark World No Tobacco Day. Southeastern Railway. Members of the Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted an environmental awareness campaign against plastic use and carried out a tree plantation drive at Aldra Railway Station on 4th of June 2025. Scouts and Guides also presented a Nukkad Natak at the station on this occasion. 5th of June 2025, World Environment Day observed by the awareness campaign by Nukkad Natak and tree plantation at Satragachi Scout Group and Railway Colony in the presence of Senior CDO/SRC, Senior DEE/TRS/SRC, DEE/TRS, ADME/SRC, along with other officials and supervisors. The program was organized under the leadership of Pintu Chatterjee, State Training Commissioner Scout. South Central Railway. On the occasion of World Environment Day 2025, members of the South Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides took part in a mass tree plantation program organized by the Personnel Department of South Central Railway. The event was held on 4th of June 2025 at 9 hours at Railway Degree College, Secunderabad. The program was graced by Sri Siddharth Kati, PCPO and State Chief Commissioner as a chief guest, accompanied by Sri GRS Rao, CPO/Administrator and State Commissioner of Scouts Adult Resource, Sri M.B. Muralidhar, Deputy CPO/IR/Headquarter and Junior Secretary, Sri Anand Kata, Senior DPO and District Secretary, Sri PTV Durga Prasad, Senior DN and District Commissioner, along with other personnel officers and staff from Headquarters and Hyderabad Division. Scouts and Guides of Guntur District organized a flash mob at Guntur Railway Station on 4th of June 2025 as part of an awareness campaign to highlight the issue of plastic pollution. Tamil Nadu. The Sairam District Association of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted a mapping workshop for Scouts, Guides and adult leaders from 30th May to 1st of June 2025. The workshop focused on the essential mapping skills such as compass use, direction finding, map making and field sketching. Participants actively engaged in hands-on session and practical activities that strengthen their understanding of scouting fundamentals. Telangana. Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted World Environment Day celebration on 1st of June 2025 at the State Training Center, Jedit Metla. A total of 100 Scouts and Guides participated in the event. The event was attended by Sri M. Raja Gopal, State Treasurer, Sri E. John Samuel, Assistant State Secretary, Sri G. Parameshwar, State Organizing Commissioner Scout, Srimati T. Paramodini, State Organizing Commissioner Guide, and Sri Suresh Gupta, Vice President, Nalgonda. Basic and advanced courses for Scoutmasters were conducted at the district headquarters, Secunderabad, from 29th of May 2025 to 4th of June 2025. On 2nd June 2025, members of Telangana State participated in Telangana State Formation Day celebration at the Secunderabad Police Parade Ground, Hyderabad. Tripura. Scouts and Rovers of the Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides actively rendered services as part of the disaster management team, providing vital support and monitoring emergency services on 29th and 30th of May 2025 across various relief camps in the Kalyanpur area under Kovai district. In response to the emerging flood situation on 30th May 2025, they were further deployed as a quick response team and initiated rescue operation in several affected locations under the Jirania and Sadar subdivisions, demonstrating commitment, preparedness and service to the community in times of crisis. On the occasion of World Environment Day 2025, Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a mass tree plantation program, awareness rally and erection of signboard at the purpose site of state headquarters cum training center, Scouts and Guides adjacent to PM Shri A.D. Nagar English Medium School, Agartala on 5th of June 2025. The program was graced by Sri Deepak Majumdar, Honorable Mayor, Agartala Municipal Corporation, Sri Satya Brata Nath, Director Youth Affairs and Sports, Sri Alok Roy, Councillor AMC, Ward number 39, along with senior officials, teachers and social activists. Uttar Pradesh. Under the aegis of the Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarters, a district organization commissioner scout guide workshop was conducted from 3rd to 4th of June 2025 at Gaur International School, Greater Noida. District Organization Commissioner, Scouts and Guides from various districts actively participated in the event. West Bengal. Pushkarla Kedia Scouts and Guides Group of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides in collaboration with Manshika organized a 2-day patrol leader training camp on May 31 and June 1st, 2025 at the Oriental Seminary School, Kolkata. Sri Prabodh Ranjan Vishwas, State Organizing Commissioner Scout, attended as the chief guest and emphasized that such training prepares children to become responsible leaders and good citizens. The guest of honor, Mr. Manmohan Kedia, an industrialist and philanthropist, highlighted that scouting not only instilled leadership but also nurtures the spirit of service, which she describes as the true purpose of life. Members of the Santragachi Kedarnath Institution Scout and Guide Group and Santragachi Rover Crew, Howrah District organized an awareness rally on 31st of May 2025 to mark World Tobacco Day. The rally commenced from Ichhapur Nabasishu Sangha Puja Prangan and proceeded to Ramrajatala railway station. The West Bengal State conducted an advanced course for Cub Masters, Scout Masters and Rover Scout leaders at the State Training Center, Ganganagar from 24th to 30th of May 2025. The course was inaugurated by Sri Kaushik Chatterjee, State Training Commissioner Scouts.